What is good, guys? Today I have with me a beautiful blacked out C63S and stage 2 tuned. We're gonna be taking it through some back roads in Toronto here, so stay around, watch till the end. It's gonna be fun. I've been waiting to get my hands on a C63. This thing is a menace to drive. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I make car POVs and car content for different types of cars, mainly AMGs and V8s and my C43 as well. It's a grown channel, so show your support, subscribe, share, like. If you've never driven this car before, this thing straight up sounds evil. It straight up sounds demonic, man, jeez. This car is crazy to drive. Oh my goodness. The thing I've always loved about AMGs is the dual personality. You look at it from the outside and it looks like a regular, it looks like a car in a suit. But then you switch it up into Sports Plus and you got a maniac. So chaotic. Oh, these turns are so nice. Let's give it a little bit of space. It's so easy for the rear wheels to step out in this car. This thing just gets your adrenaline pumping, man. Like, it gets you feeling really excited. You feel that bass in your chest all the time. Okay, I'm gonna have to loop around because I missed my turn earlier. Hopefully it should be much better now. The way this thing dumps torque on you at lower gears, something else. It's a beautifully engineered car. Little throttle input. The rear wheels just keep spinning. This is a nice road.